I'm Chris Ghayel and I'm doing the Shalwar challenge. Shalwar. Yeah, man. This string is not time string. Okay, let me start off. It doesn't matter. What? Whose waist is this? Can that be my manager? Definitely not my manager waist is. This is my manager. Nah, this person eat too much. I don't know what this person been eating. And it's saying extra large. It's gotta be a joke. No. No way. Is it finished?
Oh, you just
I got it. For real? Oh. Yo. Nah. This person need to stay off the meat. You should be a vegan, okay?
Okay.
You should be a vegan. Watch your whole stock. You should be a proper vegan. That's the time. For real? She's a manager? Yo, the man stuck in the pants though. Yo. I think I got it. Done.
amazing.
You have to wear it.
Yes, over your back.
See? Not even umpy dumpy. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah.
I have one last bit. I got you.
You should keep that. Just a second. Just a second.
नहीं फंस गई
Yeah.